Alright, welcome everybody. In today's video, I just want to show you the site that I use in downloading unlimited resources like this one, like all these PNGs. Okay, you don't need to ask somebody to like share me your files or something. You can just download all these things yourself. Okay, it's just one single site. Okay, we have some that are from different sites here, but like we have this kind of PNG. I actually don't use it. I got some of all this file from some of my friends, but personally the site that I use is what I want to show you. So it's more or less like a cheat code, but here is it. Okay, PNG Wing. This is site. Okay, PNG Wing. It's very easy to use. All you just need to do is to come to this site and type whatever you want. Let's say you want to do something like okay, I just search for books now, and here we have books, and they are all PNGs. Okay, without background. Okay, let's say you want to search for, let's say, go text. Okay, it's going to give you a lot of options that you can just explore, and you can just have all this good text, good whatever. It's such an amazing site. Okay, I discovered this site by chance. Look at this one, this Happy New Year, very good. Okay, I discovered it, but let's say you want to make something like birthday. Okay, let's click on birthday, and just wait for it. Okay, now we have all these baby designs. You can just use all this one. Look at this one. You can just place it on your design without even stressing yourself. Okay, let's say you want to make something like headset. Okay, search for headset. Yes, I want to use it for a design. Okay, so you click on it and just give it some time. The main page is going to load, and you come here and you see this download. Okay, this one is let's just say 2.5 MB, and let's wait for it. Okay, one thing about this site is that when it comes to the licensing, they always tell you this word, not commercial use. Okay, if you want to use it, you have to contact them. I never contact. Okay, I never do. I just wish sometimes that this site could be open, that other people can upload their files, to be a very good thing. Okay, the reason why I'm waiting for the page to completely load before I click download is that sometimes it may just make the next page not work. Okay, so most times I just like waiting, and once you click an item, they show you related item. Okay, related PNGs that you can just click to check more and more in case you see something and you just want to use it as a loophole to get the other ones. So this is how you can actually get it. Okay, so now let's click on download, and this thing is going to come up. Okay, it's just for verification to check if you're a robot or a human. To be honest, I don't know how this thing actually work. I watched the video on YouTube the last time how they actually used it to detect if the person is a robot or not, but well, that's not my business. I just want to download. Okay, it has already downloaded. The reason why it downloaded is because I've downloaded today. I don't know why this is happening like this. It's supposed to show something that I will click. Okay, I was talking about the way to verify if I'm a robot or not. Okay, I'm supposed to click on, they'll show you some letters. Okay, you just need to click on those letters. Okay, then once it tallies, you click on submit or something like that. So once it shows you submit, then the download process is going to start automatically. But I've downloaded today, I've opened the site, it's not quite long, working on projects, and that's the reason why it didn't show me that. But there is a problem that you might end up running into when you are using it, is that the process will not just work. Okay, when it doesn't work, if you're using your mobile phone or you're working from a computer, the best way to actually deal with that is to actually just close your browser, or you can force stop it if it persists. If you're using your computer, close your browser and come back again. Okay, it sometimes can happen to me like consecutive times, like twice. I will always close my either my phone, for stop the app, or close my desktop, just start the program again, your Chrome again. That's the best way I deal with that. So this is how you actually I get my own design elements, especially PNGs. So thank you so much for watching. This brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 28 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.